Hello friends, welcome to my channel Clay Kitchen. Hope you all are well. Friends, today I am preparing a simple but very healthy recipe, paratha of green leafy vegetable bathua. Now friends, before moving to my recipe, I would like to thank you all for your support, like and valuable comments. And those who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I always try to present before you simple and easy recipes. Not only simple and easy recipe, but very healthy recipe, friends. So let's move towards the kitchen. So friends, this is bathua. This is well known to all of us, isn't it? It is known as bathua in Hindi, or in some places chil bhaji. In English, it is known as lamb's quarter or pig feet, or even some places goose foot. Botanically, it is known as Chenopodium album, and it's belong to family Amaranthaseae. In Assamese, we used to call it as jilimili haak or bothua haak. Its cultivation is done in some regions, but it is also considered as a weed in some places. But you know friends, it is loaded with numerous health benefits. For my recipe, I am going to take a handful of these bathua leaves and wash thoroughly and finally chop them finely. Friends, chopping is done. I am going to boil this, just half boil. Please friends, be with me till end. I am going to share with you the health benefits of bathua also while preparing my recipe. Friends, I have added just a bowl full of water and the bathua leaves, chopped bathua leaves with a pinch of salt. As I have said before, I'll go for half boil. You know friends, it is used to treat some skin diseases. Leaves oil is used to treat hookworm. It is rich with vitamin A. So friends, it is very good for eyes. It is rich in vitamin B complex, vitamin C. It is rich in iron. So friends, it is good for iron deficiency anemia. Rich in fibres, so it is good for weight loss and yes, for constipation. 3 to 4 minutes over friends. Now I'm going to put off my gas. It's done now. Let it cool down for a while and then I'll use this for making paratha. Friends, this is 3 cups of wheat flour I'm taking. My bathua is cold enough now, so let's prepare the dough. This is 1 bowl of bathua I'm adding. All together along with water I'm adding. Finely chopped onion, about half bowl I'm adding. Next I'm adding finely chopped green chilies. I have taken 2 in numbers. Regarding chilies, if you want more, you may use more chili. This is fine paste of ginger and garlic. This is finely chopped coriander, about a bunch of it. Then I'm adding salt, about 1 spoon. I have added before also while boiling bathua, just a pinch. Now I'm adding 1 spoon. This is carom seeds. Among spices I'm using, this is 1 spoon of garam masala powder, half spoon of jeera powder, half spoon of dhania powder, 1 big spoon of ghee. Friends, if you want more spicy, then you may use 1 spoon of red chili powder also. It's up to you. Now I'm going to mix all this very nicely. You know friends, bathua is rich in amino acids. It also have calcium, potassium, phosphorus. It is low in calories. Now friends, I'll add a little bit of lukewarm water for preparing a soft dough. It's done now. I'll add a little bit of oil over it in this way, just to retain the moisture in it, and cover it for a while, about 15 to 20 minutes, so that it gets set properly in this way. 20 minutes over, friends. Let's see. Yes, our dough is soft enough. It's properly set. So let's prepare the balls first. I'll take one ball, dust a little bit, just flatten by hand little bit, and then go for rolling. You know, friends, it is a good blood purifier also. Regarding bathua, friends, we all should know one thing. It may be consumed in moderation as it is rich in oxalic acid, and excessive consumption of bathua may lead to development of kidney stones. So this is ready now. In this way, I am going to roll down all of them. It's a very simple recipe, friends, but yes, it's a very healthy recipe. Tawa is ready, friends, so let's go and prepare the parathas. Here goes my first paratha. Wait for a while till the bubbling comes. You know, friends, bathua seeds are abortifacient, so it is not suggested during pregnancy. See, friends, the bubbles are coming out. Let's flip on the other side. I'm adding a little bit of ghee over it. It's up to you. You may add butter or refined oil, but I prefer ghee in winter season, friends, because of dryness of skin in winter. Better to take a little bit of ghee. Again, let flip on the other side. Again, a little ghee over this side. Friends, according to research conducted in Ayurveda, regular eating of bathua reduces the risk of breast cancer. It's almost done, friend. See? Wow, so nice golden brown color, isn't it? Let's take it out. And in this way, I am going to prepare all the parathas. Friends, our bathua paratha is ready. A very simple but very healthy recipe. Once again, friends, if you liked my today's video, then please don't forget to press the like button, and yes, don't forget to comment me in comment box. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel